In today's video, I am going to teach you how to join Constant Contact Affiliate Program. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Constant Contact Affiliate Program page. It is important to use the official website so you are viewing the most accurate information about the program, including eligibility, commission details, and any requirements for applicants. Once you are on the page, take a moment to read through the overview so you understand what the program offers and what Constant Contact expects from its affiliates. When you are ready to move forward, look for the button that says Join or Apply. Click that button to open the affiliate application form. This form is where you will provide the details needed for the affiliate team to evaluate your application. Enter your personal information and your business details carefully. Make sure everything is accurate and up to date, since incomplete or incorrect information can slow down the review process. You will also need to explain how you plan to promote Constant Contact. This part is especially important because it helps the company understand your marketing approach. Be clear and honest about the methods you intend to use. For example, if you promote products through a website, blog, content platform, or social media channels, describe that in a simple and professional way. The goal here is to show that your promotional strategy is relevant and aligns with their expectations. Before submitting the form, review all of your answers one more time. Check for spelling mistakes, missing fields, or anything that may be unclear. A clean and complete application gives a better impression and can make the process smoother. After that, submit your application. Once it has been sent, the Constant Contact affiliate team will review it. They do this to make sure your promotional methods fit their brand guidelines and overall standards. This review may take some time, so be patient while you wait for a response. Keep an eye on your inbox for any updates or follow-up messages related to your application status. That is the full process for joining the Constant Contact affiliate program. Follow each part carefully. Provide accurate information, and make sure your promotional plans are presented clearly. That covers everything you need to know.